Well, we have reached a very important topic, Fibonacci number. Well, have you heard this before? Well, if you have background in mathematics or you have studied mathematics a little, you will know what is a Fibonacci number. Well, a Fibonacci number is like 0, 1, 1, like 2. Well, let's have the example of Fibonacci number of 5. What will be the Fibonacci of number of 5? Well, 0 plus 1. Here should be 0. 0 plus 1 will be, well, equal to 1. And again, we will have 1, well, plus 2 will be 3. We'll have, well, 3 plus 4. 7. Or like this, it will be continued asking or collecting the number like 0. Let me have the sequence here, like 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, well, 8, 13. These are the Fibonacci number. Well, let's see what happens if I have an example here. Def Fibonacci. Well, I have a number, and well, A is 0. I want to assign B as 1 for I and range of, well, this number which we have taken from the user. And let's have yield. Let's have this yield A, and let's have a temporary number. Temporary of is assigned to A. A is, well, B, equal to B. B is, well, temporary. That's good. Plus B. Now let's have for X and Fib. Well, let's call this for X and Fibonacci of 100. What will be the X? Let's see. That's very large number. But as I said, that it starts from 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, like this. Now let's have it like, what will be the Fibonacci of 5? The same thing, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. And if I have the Fibonacci of 10, what will happen? The same thing, 34. So this is the Fibonacci number, and you have to learn this and you have to know this. In many interviews, they will ask about the Fibonacci number, or, well, creating a Fibonacci number in Python or any programming language which you are expert in, or which the company will expect you to be, well, expert. So these are the concepts which are very important. Doesn't matter either you are, well, know a little, or, well, you have to know these things. So we'll see in the next video.